Hi, today is another Stitch Fix video, and if you're unfamiliar with Stitch Fix, it's a styling service that you choose. It's more on demand than a monthly subscription. So you choose when and if you get a box. You can cancel anytime. You go online and fill out a profile and leave notes for your stylist what you're looking for specifically: dresses, shorts, summertime clothes, sweaters, whatever it is that you're looking for. And they will send you 5 items. The shipping to you and back to them, if you don't want any of the items or some of the items, is absolutely free. It's a $20 styling fee, so $20 initially, but if you buy anything, even one item from your box, then that is deducted from the price of that item. So it's a pretty good deal, and I really enjoy being able to try things on at home, and I love trying on things that I wouldn't pick out in a store. I don't like to go into department stores to shop for clothes. I don't like to go into the dressing rooms and try things on. Just the whole experience is not very fun. But this is really convenient. You try it on at home. You can get other people's opinions if you want. Easily send it back. You put in the price range that you would like to pay for the items, so it doesn't have to be really expensive items. So I would encourage you to give it a try. I have a link. I'm not sure if my link works because someone did tell me they used it and I have not gotten any notification of that. But supposedly it would be $25 off for you and $25 off for me. But I'll look into it and see if I can fix my link. But if you just want to go to stitchfix.com, it's very self-explanatory and really fun to try. So I'm going to dive into this box. I was busy this last month. My daughter's getting married in a couple weeks, and so I didn't go online and fill out my preferences this month. So my stylist had to just go with what I've said before, different items that I've wanted. So let's see what I got sent. She knows I like solid colors. She knows that I'm a casual person. So let's see. This is the Emory Park Dulce short sleeve knit top. It's really soft. It's pretty navy, and it's got that crisscross style v-neck front, short sleeve. It has kind of a U-cut bottom. I don't know if you call it that or not, but it's like in the shape of a U. And it is the size extra small petite in navy. I love how it feels. I like the color, and I'm a little bit over the crisscross in front, but if it's really cute, then I still might be interested in it. And then the next item is another top, and it is the Lainey Jonesman one shoulder knit top, and this is in black, it looks like. Yeah, it's an extra small. So the sleeve has this detailing where it's an off the shoulder, sort of cold shoulder type t-shirt. It feels like a thicker knit. I'll have to look and see what it's made out of, but it's really soft too. And I do love my basic blacks. I wear a lot of black, and I really think that this is cute. I like the detail. So we'll try that on. And then next is this Market in Spruce Britta t-shirt dress in small. And it looks like this. It's just a crew neck, short sleeve, and on the back it's got these 3 buttons. So it's got this button detail in the back. So it looks like no pockets. It looks like just an easy throw over, run to the store kind of dress, or lounge around at home in the summertime kind of dress. Then I've got these shorts. Let's see, they are the Just Black Romeo distressed cuffed frayed hem denim short. And they look like this. The length looks good. This is in a size 2. And they look like they have a pretty good size rise, which I like. They might even be high rise. That would be great. So those look kind of cute. And then the last thing is a dress, and this is by Market in Spruce. It's the Lainey zipper detail knit dress. Oh wow, okay, look at this. It's got zippers up at the top. I'm not quite sure why. Let me see if they work. They do work, and they show a lining, but I don't know why you would unzip them. But anyway, it's short sleeve or cap sleeve, and then it has the striping at the bottom. It looks like it's probably going to be knee length on me. It is a size small petite, and it is fully lined. It's got this coral lining there, so that will be interesting. I'm not sure what I think of the zippers in the front. That's kind of unusual, but it could be really cute. So I will try all these things on and let you know what I think. Okay, so this is the Emory Park knit top with this crisscross detail. It's really comfortable. I like the color. I think it would be really easy to wear with jeans or any shorts at all for the summertime. I think it's great. I like the length. I like that it covers my butt a little bit. And then these are the Just Black distressed denim shorts. And they don't have that much distressing, which I really appreciate. I don't want a lot of distressing. I am 5'2", I weigh about 108 pounds, if it gives you an idea of sizing. And I really like these shorts. They're really comfortable. They're high-waisted, which I prefer. Not too tight, not too loose, perfect, which is really hard for me because I am slightly larger in the middle and I have a really flat butt. So it's hard to find something that looks okay on me as far as shorts go. So these I like. They're not too long, they're not too short. This is what the back looks like on me, and I am really comfortable. I could see myself throw on this outfit all summer long. I really, really like it. So I'm gonna go ahead and try on the next piece. Here's the Lainey one shoulder knit top. You have to wear a strapless bra unless you don't mind your strap showing, because of the one shoulder aspect of it. It's really comfortable. I really like it. I like the style. I think it's really cute. It does need to have a front tuck or to be tucked in because you can see that it is very long on me if you're petite. So I like the look of it, kind of half tucked in. I also tucked it completely into a skirt that I have, and it was kind of dressier looking. I really liked it. So this is the Lainey one shoulder. I think it's really cute. I'm having good luck so far, and I'll see you in the next outfit. All right, here is the Market and Spruce t-shirt dress. It's got this crew neck and then the short sleeves, no pockets, very simple, very comfortable. I just styled it with these Madewell white tennis shoes, which is kind of into wear casual dresses with white tennis shoes. So I wanted to try that. I think it would look cute with a long necklace to give it some interest in front, a little sun hat, or I also grabbed this jean jacket from Walmart, and I'll show that to you. But you could try it with different sweaters, a belt, to kind of give it a little bit more. It's very basic, but it's super comfortable. It's the right length, very flowy, great for the summertime. So here it is with this jacket. So you can see what that looks like. I can't really tell from the viewfinder what it looks like, but I thought it would be cute with the tennis shoes. So I have one more dress to try on. I'll go ahead and do that, and I'll be right back. All right, this is the last item. It's another dress by Market and Spruce. It's the Lainey zipper front detail. It's got these two zippers up here for interest, I guess. I'm really not sure what I think of them, but the dress itself is really comfortable. It skims over my body really well. There are no pockets. It goes to the knee, and honestly, I'm not used to dresses stopping right at the knee on me because I'm so short and I have larger calves. I don't know that it's that flattering, but I do love how this dress feels. I wasn't able to fix the button closure behind my neck here because of my nails. I tried for a while, I just couldn't do it. So it probably would fit slightly better up top if I had that closed, but this is what the dress looks like. I'm not sure, you guys. I'm not used to having a lot of patterns. I tend to be a solid color girl, but let me know what you think. If I do end up getting this, I will be getting all 5 items because I do know that I want all the others. So let me know, and I'll give you my thoughts here at the end. Well, that was a really great box. I'm kind of excited. I think I might get everything. Everything is really comfortable. I can picture myself wearing it, and if I get all 5 items, then I will basically get this t-shirt dress for free. So that's the way it works. If you buy everything in your box, you get 25% off the total of the order. And so it turns out to be a pretty good deal. So I'm really happy with this. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think, and I will see you soon.